In this video, I'll show you how to join random Zoom meetings online. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into your Zoom account. Once you're logged in, open your web browser and head over to Google. Search for On Zoom, which is Zoom's official marketplace for live and immersive experiences. Click on the On Zoom link and you'll be taken to a page where you can browse a wide range of upcoming Zoom events. From here, you'll see different types of meetings and events, such as business sessions, workshops, and community events. Some of these meetings are free to join, while others may require payment. Simply click on the event that matches your interests. Depending on the event, you may be able to join instantly, or you might need to register first. Since you're already signed into your Zoom account, your details should be detected automatically, making the registration process quick and easy as long as you meet the event requirements. That's how you can explore and join random Zoom meetings using On Zoom. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.